regarding Quest. Initially, we took it for only for the higher section, and later we found it very useful for the remaining standards also.
Really, it is a good thing that we have collaborated with Quest English Center. Daily, the trainers, they are coming to the school on time and they are giving good performance.
So we have taken for the primary section also, and the result is really considerable result it was. And this year also we took the program, and they took it as a challenge that each and every student, they'll be performing well.
The students also getting a lot of improvement in their skill, like in writing also, in spoken also.
And as they promised last year, they kept the promise, and we are really very happy to collaborate with the Quest.
We are very happy with your team.
And I extend my heartfelt thanks to the Quest team for making our students, a valuable student, really a valuable student for that.
And weekly also they are reporting us, so we are happy with you team.
And thanks to the Quest team.
Thank you.